So next one, so char literals we have to discuss. So for char data type, in how many ways we can specify literal value? There are multiple ways are there. There are several ways are there. In that first way, char ch is equal to, we can specify char literal as single character within single quotes. Are you getting that? Okay. One char is nothing but single character within single quote. This is the first way. We can specify char literal as a single character within single quotes is the example, right? Add first one. We can specify char literal as single character within single quotes. We can specify char literal as a single character within single quotes. Single character within single quotes. Char literal as a single character within single quotes. Single quotes. Okay. Yeah. Char ch is equal to a. Char ch is equal to a. Single character within single quote. Okay. Next, char here see, is it valid or not valid? Now listen a bit carefully. Sir, char ch is equal to, by mistake single quote are missing. Sir, single quote are missing. I didn't add single quote. Can you tell is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Because if single quote is not there, now it is not char literal. It is not string literal. It is not a valid value for any type. Now compiler is always going to treat this one as variable. Vary this variable like compile time error we will get saying cannot find a symbol. Cannot find a symbol. Which symbol? Cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Variable A in which location class test. Make sure, okay, because I want to take this line within the test class. That's why this one is nothing but invalid, right? Next, legend first. And char ch is equal to A I am taking, but instead of single quote, double quotes I am taking. A only, but double quotes I am taking. Can you tell what is it? Is it a valid value or not? Yes, here compile time error. Because the reason is, if I can take single quote instead of single quote double quote, what it means? String. How you can assign string to char variable? So cannot here say. What compile time error? Incompatible types. Incompatible types found java.lang.string found a string required. What the required char. Found a string required is nothing but char. Like, sir, now fourth one, listen, because space here, just let me, yeah. Char ch is equal to, fourth one, char ch is equal to A, B, I am taking within single quote. Within single quote A, B. Can you tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Compile time error we are going to get. What compile time error? Is it a string? No. When it is the string, double quotes. But I am not taking double quotes. How it is the string? What compile time error we will get? Char ch is equal to AB within single quotes I am taking. Because in what way the compiler will think? In the same style you people should require to think. Make sure mandatory. In what style the compiler is going to think, in the same style you people should require to think. Char ch is equal to AB. Is it valid or invalid? Okay. Make sure compile time error we will get. What compile time error is? Listen. Sir, first single quote acceptable or not? Valid. And then single character A, valid. After A, what is my expectation? Single quote. You didn't close this one. Are you getting? You didn't close. That's why unclosed char literal. unclosed character literal like comparative error. Same here also single quotes are there. Here also single quote is there, but where is the corresponding single quote? Not there. Match is not there. Unclosed char literal. Char means character literal. Okay, comparative error. For this single quote, one error. For this single quote, one error. Next comparative error 3 is nothing but boss. It is not a Java statement first. So it is not a Java statement, not a statement. Like comparative errors by default we are going to get for this one, right? Are you getting? Let me consider, let me execute this one. Here say this one. Char ch is equal to a, like this I am taking SOP of ch. SOP of ch valid, no problem, is nothing but a I am getting. Are you getting? A I am getting, right? Next char ch is equal to within double quotes a I am taking. Sir, or otherwise let me remove double quotes. Just nothing, no quotes at all. Now comparative error, have you observed? Cannot find symbol variable a location class test like char ch is equal to a double quotes. A double quotes. Do you know what that comparative error we will get? Incompatible time required char found string. Okay, this is next. So single quotes only. A B single quotes. A B single quotes is nothing but like now. Have you observed? Unclosed character literal. Unclosed character literal. Not a Java statement. Not a statement like comparative errors we will get. I hope you people can aware, right? So make sure. Sir, a char literal can be represented as single character within single quotes. Okay, take all these examples. Char ch is equal to a within single quote. Char ch is equal to a, like unclosed char literal or character literal like comparative errors, right? Can I complete that, right? Make sure you people should aware. So this is the first way how we can specify char literal. Now second way. Here listen. What is that second way? Here is observe. Sir, for every character corresponding Unicode value is there. Correct or not? For every character corresponding Unicode value. Best example A. What is the corresponding Unicode value? 97. Oh, what is the value? 97. Sir, we can specify char literal as integral literal. Char ch is equal to 97. SOP of ch. Now do you know what the answer we are going to get? A only. SOP of ch. A. Sir, we can specify char literal as integral literal which represents Unicode value of that character. Are you getting, sir? 97 itself is what? Unicode value. Unicode value of that character, right? SOP of ch itself is A. Sir, this integral literal, analogy, this integral literal, we can specify either in octal, hexadecimal or decimal, no problem at all. Sir, we can specify this one either in octal, hexadecimal or normal decimal. Okay, no. Next, this allowed range should be 0 to 65,535 only. because char values are possible 0 to 65,535 only. Two conditions on first add second. We can specify char literal as integral literal. We can specify char literal as integral literal, char literal as integral literal, as integral literal, which represents, you can specify char literal as integral literal which represents Unicode value, which represents Unicode value of the character, which represents Unicode value, which represents Unicode value of the character, Unicode value of the character, and that integral literal can be specified, under that integral literal can be specified, under that integral literal can be specified either in decimal, under that integral literal can be specified either in decimal or octal or hexadecimal forms, either in decimal or octal or hexadecimal forms. Under that integral literal can be specified either in decimal or octal or hexadecimal forms, either in decimal or octal or hexadecimal forms. But allowed range is 0 to 65,535. Allowed range is 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. Okay, like example. Here, see this one. Char CH is equal to 97, SOP of CH is the A. Now I am taking char CH is equal to 0x of face. Valid or not? Valid, because integral literal can be specified hexadecimal form also. Now what about its value? 64,206. 64,206 corresponding character will be assigned. No problem at all. Char CH is equal to 0,777. Value. No problem. Its value 511 or something like. So the corresponding character will be assigned. Char CH is equal to 65,535. Oi, 65,535. Valid. Char CH is equal to 65,536. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Immediately comparative method by default we are going to get saying possible loss of precision found int required char. Found int required char, like comparative method we will get. Any explanation is required? Okay, at this part. Char CH is equal to 0x of face. Char CH is equal to 0,777. Char CH is equal to 65,535. Valid. Sir, we can specify char literal either in decimal or octal or hexadecimal forms. No problem at all. Possible loss of precision found int required char. Completed, right? Found int required char. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, 65,536. Comparative error we will get. Possible loss of precision found int required char, like. Okay. Up to this there is no doubt at all. Next one. Okay, but here one small twist I have to explain for you people. What that twist is, legend. Sir, char CH is equal to 97. I am taking SOP of CH. Valid or not? Valid. What the answer we will get is 1 minute only. Char CH is equal to 97 SOP of CH. Valid, no problem. What the answer? A. Char CH is equal to 197. 197 I am taking. Sir, SOP of CH. Valid or not? Valid. What is the value? What that corresponding character? special character. What is that character? Ayo, 197 related character is plus symbol. Arey, plus man. You don't know plus. Are you getting plus symbol? Sir, if I can take 1970, what is the corresponding character? Arey, you don't know. 1970 corresponding character. Arey, our favorite symbol will come. Our favorite symbol will come. Question mark is coming. 1971, same question mark. 19,710. What is the answer? Same symbol. Question mark only we are going to get. Sir, why? Why we are getting question mark symbol? What is the reason? There are option 1. The corresponding character not available or not defined. So there is no character associated with 1970 or 1971. First one. Second thing, the corresponding character there, but in this system that font is not available. That's why this system is unable to print. Are you getting option 2? Because if I want to print, do you know, you can type Telugu, you can type Hindi. In the same computer only, you can type Telugu, Hindi, but only thing that font we have to system. Sir, 1970 maybe Arabic character it's going to represent, but that Arabic font is not there in my system. That's why I'm going to get as output is nothing but question mark symbol. Which one is the correct answer? The corresponding character not available, but available, that font is not there in my system. Which one? So make sure 1970 there is some character associated with that, but that font is not there in my system. That's why we are going to get question mark. Are you getting? Sir, tomorrow you people may ask us, sir, 1970, 1971, 1972, every time question mark only. Why, sir? The reason I hope you can aware. Do you know, sir, I'm very much eager. Which character associated with 1970? I want to know. Then www.unicode.org. Okay, open this website. Now 1970, what is the corresponding character you can able to get? Are you getting that? Okay, this is, sir, why always I'm getting question mark symbol only? Now the reason is clear. Next, the third way. Okay, this is the second way to specify char literal. Okay, now third way. Here just observe, we can specify char literal even in Unicode representation. Sir, what is the Unicode representation? Right, single quote, \u, 4-digit hexadecimal number. Are you getting? Single quote, \u, 4-digit hexadecimal number is nothing but like, do you know? So this one is 4-digit hexadecimal, 4-digit hexadecimal number is nothing but like. I hope is clear for you, right? What is that option? Okay, this is, sir, can you please give an example? This form is Unicode representation. Sir, can you explain with an example like? Now observe, sir, I'm taking char ch is equal to single quote \u, single quote \u. Sir, can you tell what the remaining part? 4-digit hexadecimal number. Sir, A is there. What is the corresponding Unicode value? 97. 97, can you please convert into hexadecimal number? 16 6s are 96 and 1 is the remainder. 61. But how many digits are required? 4 digits. That's why let me add 0061. 0061 like. Are you getting \u 0061? So is. So whatever 4 digits you consider hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number 61 means what? 97. 97 corresponding character means what? A. So if I print SOP of CH, the answer by default we are going to get is nothing but A. Okay, this type of style is also acceptable for char literals. If you want, just observe. Can you please spell out char CH is equal to single quote and then \u 0061. Okay, 0061. So single quote, right? SOP of CH. Okay, what the answer? A. By default we are going to get as itself is the answer. Are you getting? Next, char ch is equal to, okay, single quote backslash 0061. Sir, 62 I am taking. 62 means 98. 98 means what? B. Yes, boss. B is nothing but like we are going to get. Okay, add. We can represent. Third one, we can represent char literal yes. We can represent char literal yes. Char literal yes. We can represent char literal in not yes, in Unicode representation. We can represent char literal in Unicode representation. Unicode representation, which is nothing but Unicode representation, which is nothing but single quote backslash u, which is nothing but single quote backslash u x. Better toilet this one. And what is that XX also? Better toilet. 4-digit hexadecimal number. 4-digit hexadecimal number. 4-digit hexadecimal number like. Getting right? Next example. Char ch is equal to single quote backslash u 0061. Single quote backslash u 0061. SOP of ch. SOP of ch itself is the A. SOP of ch itself is the A like this. Clear, right? Okay. Next up. So this is the third way. Next, do you know we have one word, escape character. Term escape character. Every escape character is a char literal only. Okay, that's why. So char ch is equal to, sir, can you tell any escape character? Backslash n. Are you getting? Valid. No problem at all. Sir, can you tell any other escape character? Char ch is equal to backslash t. Valid. Horizontal tab. New line. Horizontal tab like. Sir, every year we can specify char literal. Every escape character is a char literal. That's why is nothing but like we can assign like this. Sir, char ch is equal to backslash m. Can you tell what it means? Backslash m. What it means? Invalid. N means new line. T means horizontal tab. Next, M means mute character. Mute character. There are not. To answer this type of questions, compulsory you people should aware whether which are valid escape characters, which are not. You have to aware the list. So this one, compile time error by default we are going to get saying illegal escape character. Illegal escape character like compile time error, right? Are you able to understand? So every escape character is a valid char literal. Okay, add the fourth one. Every escape character is a valid char literal. Every escape character is a valid char literal. Every escape character is a valid char literal. Okay, example. Char ch is equal to backslash n. Char ch is equal to backslash n. Char ch is equal to backslash t. Backslash n, backslash t. Char ch is equal to backslash m. Illegal escape character. Like a compile time error we are getting. Illegal escape character like. Are you getting the point right? Illegal escape character. Like compile time error we are getting. Now I hope clear, right? Okay. Sir, compulsory you people should aware total how many escape characters are there in Java and what are various. So in Java, how many escape characters are there? 8 escape characters are there. Sir, escape character and description. Escape character and description. Now here just observe, very simple. \n means what? New line. \t means what? Horizontal tab. \r carriage return. \r ntr. Okay. \b, what is that \b? Here backspace or blank space? \b. In our keyboard there is one key is there with this symbol. You know, with this symbol there is one key. If I click this one, then one cell move to the back. If any character is there, it will be removed. That one. If you want that functionality, then we have to keep what? \b. So backspace character, not blank space. Okay. Next bf. Okay, f is nothing but what? Form feed. Maybe replacement like form feed like. Okay. So ntr Badshah film is nothing but NTR Badshah came right. Hit or flop? Flop. Badshah. Average, I hope. Okay, average. Badshah, right? So average. Now Dawood Ibrahim style, right? Correct. Dawood Ibrahim style. Make up all those things. Now, so under then up to these 5 NTR BF and up to that 5. Now single quote. Okay, single quote itself is escape character. Double quote itself is escape character. Double quote. Backslash itself is backslash symbol. Okay, that's all. These are various escape characters present in Java. Total how many are there? 5 plus 3, 8 escape characters, right, sir? Sometime, do you know, I want to use single quote as symbol, then we should specify like this. Suppose, sir, I want to print system.out.println. This is single quote symbol, like I'm taking. This is single quote symbol. If I can take like this, immediately compiler will give left hand. Array, you are using single quote, unclosed character literal. Where is the corresponding character literal, right? Now I have to convey. Oh, compiler, don't consider single quote meaning. Can you please consider single quote as symbol only? How you can specify is nothing but backslash single quote. Now onwards it's going to print what? Single quote as symbol, not its meaning, not the character literal, right? Similarly, sir, I want to print this is system.out.println. This is double quotes symbol. This is a double quotes symbol. Unclosed string literal is nothing but like you may get the problem because double quote close. Then what about this one? Where is the corresponding problem, right? That's why error. How I can solve this one? Boss, treat this one as symbol. Don't apply string literal, like how you can backslash double quote. Are you getting where we can use these escape characters? Next, sir, I want to represent system.out.println. This is backslash character, like I want to represent backslash character. Do you know wherever backslash is there, my compiler habit is always treated as escape character. But backslash C, is there any escape character? Not there. Illegal escape character, like array. Don't treat as escape character backslash. Treat backslash as a symbol only. How you can specify backslash, right? Are you able to get? Okay, this wherever backslash as a symbol, if you want to consider not escape character term, then we should go for like this. Best example. So in the file IO, I want to specify location. C:/Durga classes I want to specify. In the program, if I can write like this, okay, file f is equal to new file of, like this, if I can write, compiler will give left and right. \d, there is no escape character backslash. Array, don't treat this one as backslash escape character symbol, treat as backslash symbol only, then another backslash. Are you getting? In the phi-LIVO concept, we are going to discuss like why. So wherever these things considered as a symbol, then this is the way we have to represent. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, at this point. Escape character and the description. Carriage return means moving to the first cell of next line. Again, suppose in the typing, we will type. Okay, after end return, carriage return, then what will happen? Next line, first character. Form it may be replacement, I'm not sure. So go through your C books or somewhere. But being a programmer, not required to worry. It is take all. These are various escape characters present in Java. Backslash a new line, backslash T horizontal tab, backslash R carriage return, backslash B backspace, form feed, single quote, double quote, backslash, single quote, double quote, backslash like. Can I completed right? Backslash n new line, backslash T horizontal tab, backslash R carriage return, backspace, form feed, single quote, double quote, backslash. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, next one. Okay, legend well, so make sure you people should be aware. Next, that's all. These are the 4 ways to specify char literal. What is the first way? Single character within single quote. Second way, corresponding Unicode value. Third way, Unicode representation. Okay. Fourth way is nothing but what? Fourth way is escape character, right? Okay. Every escape character is a char literal. 4 ways are there. Let me summarize with a bit. Which of the following are valid? 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 Okay. Here see, sir, char ch is equal to 65,536. Char ch is equal to 65,536. Char ch, okay, 0x where char ch is equal to backslash u followed by face, char ch is equal to backslash u followed by beef, okay, char ch is equal to backslash m, char ch is equal to backslash I face, okay, I face, like that's all. Can you tell which are valid and which are invalid? First one, invalid, because 65,536 out of range. Second one, invalid, because 0x beef valid, beer invalid, because of R symbol. Third one, invalid, because single quotes are missing. Have you observed? Single quote must be invalid. Next one, char ch is called single quote backslash beef. Valid. Beef valid. What is the problem? Char ch is equal to backslash m, invalid, illegal escape character. Backslash I face, backslash u face valid, but I is nothing but invalid. Take this. That's all. These things are char literals. In how many ways we can specify char literal? Is nothing but 4 ways. Just these are various loopholes you people should aware. Completed, I hope. Take clearly. Okay, so these are char literals like. Next example. Okay, next point. Here see, keep subverting string literal. So not required to keep much explanation. So even it's not primitive type, but only one string literal. Can you tell how to represent a string literal? Any sequence of characters within double quotes. Any sequence of characters within double quotes treated as a string literal. Okay, add any sequence of characters. Any sequence of characters within double quotes. Any sequence of characters within double quotes. Any sequence of characters within double quotes is treated as. Any sequence of characters within double quotes is treated as string literal. Treated as a string literal. Example. String S is equal to Durga like within double quotes. Any sequence of characters within double quotes is treated as a string literal. That's all. So this is what is literals concept, right? Are you getting? So integral literals, floating point literals, Boolean literals, char literal, and even last one string literal also we covered. But now in the 1.7 version there are two enhancements came. There are two new concepts came in the 1.7 version with respect to literals. What those things? Keep submitting. 1.7 version enhancements. 1.7 version enhancements with respect to literals. 1.7 version enhancements with respect to literals. 1.7 version enhancements with respect to literals. With respect to literals. Okay. So what is the possibility? And make sure 1.7 version what literals are there. Best example here, observe. Sir, I am taking, there are two concepts came. The first concept is binary literals. And first new enhancements came, binary literals. Second one there, that one I will discuss. First first one, binary literals. Keep submitting. First enhancement binary literals. Okay, here see, for integral data types. Sir, which are integral types? Byte, short, int, long. For integral data types, in how many ways we can specify literal value? In how many ways we can specify literal value? How many ways? 3 ways. Decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Are you getting? Decimal, octal, hexadecimal like. Now decimal, here legend this one, we can specify first decimal form or octal form or hexadecimal form. But from 1.7 version onwards, for integral literals we can specify in binary form also, no problem at all. Sir, how we can? Int x is equal to binary mean allowed digits are 0, 1, only 2, either 0 or 1, that's all. Int x is equal to 0. Okay, so compulsory this number should be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. Are you getting? Binary 0 small x or 0 capital X means hexadecimal. 0 small b or 0 capital B means what? Binary. Now 1 1 1 1 like this I am taking. If a number prefixed with 0b, binary. Sir, 1 1 1 1 binary. If I print SOP of x, can you tell what the answer now? Because if I binary number converted to decimal, that decimal value we are going to get. What is the answer? 15. 4 ones is nothing but 15 like. So until 1.6 version only 3 ways, but from 1.7 version onwards we can specify literal value even in binary form also. Okay, at this point for integral data types, until 1.6 version, for integral data types until 1.6 version we can specify literal value. We can specify literal value in the following ways. We can specify literal value in the following ways. First one decimal form, second octal, second octal form, third one hexadecimal form, octal form, hexadecimal form. But from 1.7 version onwards, we can specify literal value. We can specify literal value even in binary form also. Next, allowed digits are binary form. Allowed digits are 0 and 1. Next, literal value should be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. 0 small b or 0 capital B. Next, example. Int x is equal to 0b 4 ones. Int x is equal to 0b 4 ones. SOP of x. Int x is equal to 0b 4 ones. SOP of x. Sir, can you tell what the answer? 15. I hope is clear. That's all. This is one enhancement came in the 1.7 version related to what? Integral literals. Next, there is another enhancement, legend first, which is applicable for all numeric literals. Numeric literals are number type. Number type means what? Integral and a floating point. Both. What is that enhancement? Sir, I have one number is there. Double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9 is there. 1 minute. Here legend this one. Sir, 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Can you please read this number? Don't read 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. What about its value? It's not binary, decimal only. Can you please read this value? 1 crore, 1 lakh or something like that. Why you are taking this much time, man, to read this one? Don't write. Just read. 10 crores, 11 lakhs, 1,101. A bit confusion, right? Is it thousands place or lakhs place or crores place? Is always a big confusion. That's why what the some people did is, in the 1.7 version, they keep full stop for this type of thing. Okay, what they did is, suppose if I can keep my number like this, 1 10 underscore 1 1 underscore 0 1 underscore 101. Can you please read this number? 10 crores, 10 lakhs, 1,101. Which is the easy to read? First one or second one? Second one. Usage of underscore symbol between the digits of numeric literal. The main advantage of this one is readability of the code is going to be improved. Are you getting? Readability is nothing but like, so double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. So but from 1.7 version onwards, if you want, you can write like this also. Double D is equal to 1 underscore 23 underscore 456 dot 789 like this. Are you getting? 1,23,456 dot 789 itself is the value. Or otherwise, same number, how the US people are going to read? Same number, how the US people are going to read? 123,456.789. Now they can write 123,456.789. So what is the second enhancement came in the 1.7 version? Usage of underscore symbol between the digits of numeric literal. What is the main advantage of this one? Readability of the code is going to be improved. Clear right? Okay. Add. Second one, keep submitting. Usage of underscore symbol. Usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. Usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. Usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. In numeric literals. Usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. Okay, in numeric literals. Add from 1.7 version onwards. From 1.7 version onwards, we can use underscore symbol. From 1.7 version onwards, we can use underscore symbol between digits. We can use underscore symbol between digits. We can use underscore symbol between digits of numeric literal. Between digits of numeric literal. Okay. Example. Add this one. Example take. Double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. How we can override? How we can write? 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. Double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. Double D completed, right? Both. Now add one point. Here legend this one. Can you tell what is the main advantage of this approach? Readability of the code will be improved. Add. The main advantage of this approach is readability of the code will be improved. 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 That's all. Completed, right? Okay. So make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, I have one big doubt. Some people keeping one underscore and then underscore 2 3 but some people are keeping 123 one underscore symbol only. But how the JVM can aware? Okay, are you getting? How the JVM can differentiate this number and this number both are same? Okay, make sure this thing is required for readability. Readability required in .java file, not in .class file. Correct? No one is going to open .class file. No one is going to read. Everyone is always going to read what? Our code. Our code is nothing but what? .java file. No one is going to open .class file. That's fine. So this thing is applicable only for .java file. At the time of compilation, automatically compiler will remove these underscore symbols. Are you getting? That's why after compilation, these two lines will become once again double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. There is no effect on JVM because JVM don't know about these underscore symbols, because these underscores will be removed automatically at compile time only. Okay, at the time of compilation, at the time of compilation, these underscore symbols will be removed. At the time of compilation, these underscore symbols will be removed. These underscore symbols will be removed automatically. These underscore symbols will be removed automatically. At the time of compilation, these underscore symbols will be removed automatically. Hence, after compilation, the above lines will become. Hence, after compilation, the above lines will become. After compilation, the above lines will become. Yes, add. Double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9, like this. Are you able to understand? Okay, this is. Next, so there are two conclusions are here about this underscore symbol. What the first one is, legend. Sir, can you tell, is it valid or not? Double D is equal to 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. And then next, double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Valid or invalid? Simple word. Anyway, compiler is going to delete underscore symbol. Based on your comfort, you can add any number of underscores. What is the problem, Anna? Like perfectly both are valid. So we can use more than one underscore symbol also between the digits. No problem at all. Okay, add. We can use more than one underscore symbol also. We can use more than one underscore symbol also between the digits. We can use more than one underscore symbol also between the digits. More than one underscore symbol also between the digits. Yeah, this one. Double D is equal to 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4. We can use more than one underscore symbol, no problem at all. Like double D is equal to like. Are you able to understand, right? Next one. Double D is equal to like 1 underscore 2 3 underscore like. Completed, right? Okay. Now the next one, legend. Sir, can you tell, is it valid or not? You have to decide. Double D is equal to underscore 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. Next up, double D is equal to 1 underscore 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. Double D is equal to 1 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6, okay, dot 7 8 9, like this. Valid or not? These are valid or not? 100% pakka. These are valid or invalid? 100% pakka. These are invalid. Compile time error we will get. Sir, can you tell what is the need of underscore symbol? To improve readability. Sir, is it 1th place or 1000 place like? Sir, so between the digits was 1,23,000 like. If I can keep underscore symbol at the beginning, what is the use? Nothing. So no. Next up, between decimal point and a digit, what is the use? No. At last underscore, waste. Are you getting? You are misusing the syntax. That's why we can use underscore symbol only between the digits, only between the digits. We can't use anywhere. Are you getting at the beginning, end, or between decimal point and digit waste is nothing but compile time error, right? At this point, we can use underscore symbol. We can use underscore symbol only between the digits. We can use underscore symbol only between the digits. Only between the digits. We can use underscore symbol only between the digits. Only between the digits. If we are using anywhere else, 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 we will get compile time error. We will get compile time error. We will get compile time error like this. Are you getting? Yeah, these points right. Yeah, these are invalid anyway. Double D is equal to underscore 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9. Double D is equal to 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6 underscore dot 7 8 9. Double D is equal to 1 underscore 2 3 underscore 4 5 6 dot 7 8 9 dot 7 8 9. Completed, right? Okay, valid. No problem at all. Next. Take a bit carefully. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Okay, this. So that's all. These are the two conclusions what we have to discuss. So there ends literals enhancements in the 1.7 version. In the 1.7 version, how many new concepts came? 2. One is binary literals. Second one is usage of underscore symbol, right? Now I have one summary point like this. Sir, this summary, this diagram I am going to use minimum 20 times in our next classes. That's why make sure. Sir, I have byte value is there. Byte value means how many bytes? 1 byte. Can I assign byte value to short variable? Possible or not? Short is 2 bytes. For 2 bytes place 1 byte value, no problem. Can I assign short value to int? 2 bytes to 4 bytes, no problem. Sir, here do you know byte value? Happily we can assign to short, no problem. Short value we can assign to int. Char value we can assign to int, no problem. Char means 2 bytes. 2 bytes to 4 bytes. What is the problem? Int to long, long to float, float to double. Do you know these assignments left to right is always acceptable, no problem at all. Are you able to get right? No problem. So all these things are perfectly valid, left to right. So lower data type value we can assign to higher data type variable, no problem at all. Are you able to understand, right? First take this diagram, and you may have some doubt, I will clarify, not required to worry. First take byte to short, short to int, int to long, long to float, double. Next char to int, char to int like this. Are you getting? So this diagram compulsory you people should aware minimum 20 times we are going to use in our next classes, right? But here one doubt you people may rise. Sir, 1 byte to 2 byte, no problem. 2 byte to 4 byte, 2 byte to 4 byte, 4 byte to 8 byte, acceptable. But float is how many bytes? 4 byte. Now you have the big doubt. 4 to 8 acceptable. But where is the doubt, Anna? 8 byte long value. How you can assign to 4 byte float variable? Is the big doubt. Okay? Make sure perfectly acceptable. No problem at all. Do you know these data types are called what? Integral types. Integral types. These data types are called what? Floating point data types. Floating point data types. Anna, listen a bit very carefully. Sir, I have assume I have two classrooms are there. Assume that 2 rooms are there. Room 1, room 2. In the first room, 100 chairs are there. In every chair, one member is allowed to sit. In the first room, how many chairs are there? 100. In every room, in every chair, one student is allowed to sit. Then in the first room, how many students can sit? 100. 100 students can sit. But in the second room, only 50 chairs are there. Only 50. But in every chair, 2 members are allowed to sit. No problem at all. Because big chairs like, so 2 members can sit in chair. Then how many members can sit here? How many members can sit? 100 members. Space is is nothing but number of chairs is the same. But yeah, only with 50 chairs, 100 members can sit. Because in every chair, how many members can sit? 2 members, right? Because internal representation is the different. In this per chair, 1 member. But in this per chair, 2 members, like. Sir, integral data type in the memory, the way of representation, floating point number in the memory, the way of representation, complete different. Remember this one. In this representation, 8 byte long value. In this representation, just by using 4 bytes only we can place. Because both are following different memory representations, right? Are you able to understand? Internally, how the number is going to be represented is completely different. In this representation, 8 byte long value. In this representation, just by using 4 bytes only we can place. No problem at all. Do you know? Some people may feel, here say, float f is equal to 10L. Valid or not? Long value to float variable. Valid or not? Valid. If you want, you can print f. What the answer? 10.0 by default. Are you getting that? Okay, this take a note about this point. 8 byte long value. 8 byte long value. We can assign 2. 8 byte long value. We can assign 2. 4 byte float variable. 8 byte long value. We can assign 2. 4 byte float variable. 4 byte float variable. 4 byte float variable because 4 byte float variable because 4 byte float variable because both are following different memory representations internally. Because both are following different memory representations internally. Both are following different memory representations internally. Different memory representations internally. That's all. Completed, right? Now take this one. Float f is equal to 10L. Float f is equal to 10L. Next, SOP of f. Float f is equal to 10L, SOP of f. But the answer is 10.0. SOP of f. The answer is what, Anna? 10.0, like this. 10.0. Is it valid or not? Okay, this is. Next, one more small clarity I have to provide. Okay, listen, this doubt also some people may raise. Listen. Completed, right? Now observe. Sir, char, how many bytes, Anna? Short, how many bytes? 2 bytes. But char value you can't assign to the short. Short value you can't assign to the char. Because the reason is, both are different data types. Means with respect to sign. It is the unsigned data type. This one is what? Signed data type. Sir, if I want to assign this one to the short, 65,535 valid for char. Is it possible to assign to the short? No, because here 16 bits represent value, but here only 15 bits represent value. 1 bit already reserved for what? Sign. Are you getting? That's why signed unsigned there is a difference. Sir, 65,535 char value you can't assign to short because short is not in that range. Next, minus 32,768. Can I assign to the char? No, because char can't consider negative values. Are you getting? That's why even though both are 2 bytes 2 byte, but there is no compatibility between these two. Clear for all of you that? Okay, this is what the reason is, because one is signed data type, the other one is what? Unsigned data type. That's all. So not required to keep any explanation. That's all. This is about literals concept what we have. So there are several new things I hope you people got from this discussion. Floating point literals, double floating point literals, integral literals. Next in the 1.7 which things came, char literals in how many ways we can specify. Next what about possible assignments, right? Okay, that's all.